Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find where fuses relays for the power outlet sockets are located on Jeep Grand Cherokee, guys. That generation here. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix to fix your power outlet sockets. After that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the power outlet socket, which fuses and relays, we need to check them to show you guys here on that Jeep Grand Cherokee. Depending on the year model, you have two different types of fuse boxes. We'll explain about each one of those. What do we need to do? Open the hood, and when you face the engine on the left side, this is the main engine fuse box. Open that cover. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one for year 2014 to 2022. This is 2011 to year 2013, guys. Before we continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here, guys, we need to start. Let's start with 2011 to 2013 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee. We first need to find fuse number M6, and M6, guys, will be this fuse right here. That's one of them, M6. Then we need to locate fuse number M7. M7 will be this fuse right there. That's another one. And we need to check fuse number M36, this one too. Now, if you come to 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee, here, okay, let's zoom in a little bit. You will need to check this fuse. It's either known as 90 or 91, depending if it's on the left or the right side. It could be both, guys. Okay, so this fuse needs to be checked. Then you need to check fuse number 93 right here. You need to check fuse number 104. We're talking about this 20 amp fuse. All of them are 20 amp fuses, guys. You don't have relays. The relay function, most likely it's controlled by the BCM, body control module. If you still have problems with cigarette lighter, power outlet socket, guys, check fuses relays for a BCM body control module. If you don't know where these fuses are located, we'll have the video on the channel to help you with that. Our mission is to save you money, guys. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.